everyone, I am Miss Reed. I'm going to be teaching pre-K this year. And before we get started, I wanted to read you a story about somebody going to school just like you. Could be a little different because this guy has feathers. And he's also going to school and not going to learn from a computer for a little while. But it's all the same and it'll all be fun. Before we start, we always want to do something to get our bodies ready and our mind ready to read. So we're going to do a song called Open, Shut Them. So we get our hands up and we go, open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in our laps. Now we're ready to read and we'll get our story up. Look at my story. It's a cool book. It has a front cover, a back cover, and a spine. The title is The Pigeon Has to Go to School. And he's sitting here saying, oh, come on. Words and Pictures by Mo Williams. So that means he's the author and the illustrator. Okay, I'll open my book. What? A new book. Wait! Don't read the title. The Pigeon Has to Go to School. Too late. Rats. Why do I have to go to school? I already know everything. Go on, ask me a question. Any question. Well, I know almost everything. Does school start in the morning? Because, you know, what I'm like in the morning, it's not very pretty. Me neither, Pigeon. I am not good in the morning. I wish I was a little chick again. A little itty bitty, not going to school, baby wavy pigeon. Oh, look at the baby wavy pigeon. What if I don't like school? What if I really don't like school? What if I really, really, really don't like school? What if the teacher doesn't like pigeons? That's impossible. And the stuff. What about all the stuff? There is so much stuff to learn. What if I learn too much? My head might pop off. Uh-oh. I'm scared. What will happen at school? What if there's math or numbers? Does the alphabet have so many letters? Reading can be hard with one big eye. What about lunch? What will the other birds think of me? Will finger paints stick to my feathers? What's up with those heavy backpacks? I'm a fragile bird. The unknown stresses me out, dude. There should be a place to practice those things. With experts to help you, and books, and classrooms, and other birds to work and play with. Maybe a playground, too. Oh, wait. That's school. Well, how am I supposed to get to school? Get there anyway. Waza, waza, wah. Some of you might get to do this soon. Step aside. Coming through. This pigeon has to go to school. The end. It's such a great, silly pigeon book. Even the back has it. I already know how to spell. Has a whole bunch of pigeon books that we'll get to see as we keep reading together and as we learn and grow. I'm so excited to meet you guys for conferences this week and then to keep going and learn every day with you guys through this camera until we get back to meeting in person and giving air hugs and air high fives. I hope you have a great holiday weekend. Enjoy yourself and be ready.